I recently moved, and when you're moving a house that is 4 people living in, there's a lot of things to be moved. And something you need to really help you with that is a dolly kind of like this one. Now this one was super easy to set up. It came all assembled except for these 4 wheels here. I had to put those on. I actually put one of the wheels on in the wrong place in my haste to get this thing put together so I could use it. But it performed flawlessly. Now, some of the great things about this particular dolly, well, one, it's a small profile, but then when you get ready to use it, you just pull the handles out and put the bottom part down and you have a regular dolly. Now, if you need a furniture dolly, you just lay it down like this, put that down, and you have a furniture dolly. Then the last thing it converts to is a cart. You can pull your handle up, lock it in place, get the cart handle up. Now you have a cart that you can use. We used this thing for 2 days straight. My son loved playing with it. I kept telling him it's not a toy, but my son and my daughter and some other friends helped us move, and this cart was used a lot during that time period. It's easy enough for my 5-year-old to handle and cart stuff around with. Like I said, I could barely get it away from him to use it myself. We moved appliances with it, cabinets, small refrigerators, tons of boxes, and this thing held up to everything we threw at it. I would absolutely recommend this if you're looking for a good dolly, because you do get the 3-in-1 combo here to have it for different setups. One of the other great things about this particular dolly is when you're done with it, it folds up flat and a low profile to make it easy to store away.